Hello students. Today we will learn a whiz parrot. Okay. One story we will learn. The story name a whiz parrot. A whiz. The whiz means that is knowledge. That way we apply our knowledge for judicious purpose. Okay. Also being the judicious. Remember this whiz. Of this story we will see the parrot. One parrot is there and his whiz. What he is doing, let us see in the story. Clear? You will see the first of all the chapter name A Whiz Parrot. Once upon a time there lived a parrot in a forest. He was very handsome. His beak and wings were very beautiful. His younger brother also lived with him. Both were living happily in the forest. Okay. So what we learned? We saw that there were two birds. They were staying in the forest. Okay. Forest they are staying. What happened? Actually, they were looking also very beautiful. Wings also very beautiful. We saw that. Okay. And obviously, this parrot is older, and also he was staying with his brother, means younger brothers. Both we are staying in the forest. One day, a hunter came to the forest. See, always someone will be behind of them, no? A hunter came to the forest. He saw the fare of the parrots and thought, these parrots are very beautiful and special. I will present them to the king. He spread his net in the jungle to catch them. Soon both the parrots were trapped. See, here problem became. One hunter, he saw two good friends. We know that wherever we also see the very good things, we also go. No, we don't think what they are doing, what is for that. No. But same thing hunter also did. What he did? He spared the net for the trap of them. Okay. Afterwards, the hunter trapped. Okay. He kept them in cage. See, cage and went to the palace. He said to the king, O king, see this beautiful pair of parrots. I caught them in the deep forest. Seeing their beauty, I decided to bring them to you. They will add to the beauty of your palace. After that, what hunter did? Hunter, that two parrots, whenever they trapped, after that they kept in the cage. Okay. Then he gave to the king for gift and told it will become more beauty your palace. Okay. That is king palace. If the king kept, then it looked very beauty. The king was very happy. He saw that is too good parrot came, so why will not came? Okay. The king was very happy. He gave 1,000 coins to the hunter. See, 1,000 coins gave. He kept both the parrots in a golden cage. Now see that hunter, he kept one small cage, but whenever the parrot came in the palace, afterwards the king, what he did? He made what? Golden cage, and with that golden cage he kept there. Okay. And ordered his servants to look after them well. And also not only the cage kept, and told the others workers, the servants told you just take care very well. Means whenever need food, whenever needs other things, you have to give. Okay. But did not leave. Okay. The parrots were looked after very well. They were treated as very important birds in the palace. They were served fruits and delicious food. They became the center of the attraction. Even the young prince came to play with them. The parrots were very happy. They got everything without any labor. The older parrot once said his brother, "We are highly respected in the palace and hence quite satisfied." After that, few days gone, they saw, oh, we are very happily life we are going on. Our life is going on very good. Everybody loving us. And the younger, there are two parrot was there, were there, I told you. And the younger parrot, what he was doing? He was playing with them. Okay. So after few days over, then oldest parrot was thinking, oh, now our days is going on very nice. Why not? If anybody will give to you food, fruit without any labor, means you are not doing anything, but food is coming, fruit also coming. Okay. So what will happen? After that they will say, oh, you will think, oh, very nice. You are not doing any work. If your parents said, no need to learn, I will give you nice food, you have, whenever, whatever you want to go, I will get. So what will say? Oh, nice, no? Here also same thing happen. Okay. Now the younger brother replied, you are right. We are getting royal treatment. It is our luck. They are thinking, oh, our luck is very good. So we are not doing anything, but food, fruit, everything we are getting. Okay. One day a hunter, but I'm saying to you, good day, it will not stay long time. Similarly, bad day also not stay in the long time. Good after that, bad. It is the rules. Always good it will not be stay, always bad it will not stay. One thing you will have to remember, day after that night come. Night after that day obviously will come. This is the rules. Okay. One day hunter brought a black monkey named Kala Bhau. What he brought? Monkey. The monkey was presented to the king, who asked the attendants to keep the monkey in the courtyard. Okay. The king as well as the prince were very happy to see the monkey and his amusing activities. And the monkey was very funny. He was doing like that, very different kinds of activity he was doing. Soon the monkey became the center of attraction. So now see, monkey became the attraction and the parrot went gone. So just now I told you, good day it will not stay long time. Similarly, bad day also it will not stay long time. Now the attraction, everything came with whom? The monkey. Before it was attraction with the parrot. Now became the monkey. With the arrival of the monkey, the parrots were neglected. See, just the sometimes did not even get food. Oh my God! Sometimes they are not getting food also. Now see the situations. Both of the parrots knew the cause of it. The older parrot was wise and hoped that the days would change again and one should not be depressed. He comforted his brother, nothing is permanent in this world. Have patience till the bad days are over. Just now I told you. Remember, the good day will not stay long time. Similarly, bad day also will not stay long time. Actually, nothing is permanent of this world. Everything is possible. Similarly, same thing parrot told here. What he said? That is, nothing is permanent in this world. Okay, so for only we will not be depressed. Depressed means will not be lost. Oh my God, what I will do? Don't cry like that. You have to fight with that situation. Clear? Not to be depressed. Now see, their bad time is going on. Before it was good, bad. Again, if you are be truth, always you'll follow the honesty. So your good luck will obviously will come because God always with you. Okay? Says what happened. One day monkey performed such a feats before the prince that the god scared. He got scared and cried, "Help! Help!" Hearing his cries, all rushed there and took the prince away. See, now what happened? See that monkey, what attraction is that doing acting, and where? Front of the monkey, at the front of the king. King got scared, okay, and shouting, "Help, help me, help me." After all the helper means that the servants they came and took the king and went away. The king got scared, okay, and he ordered his man to leave the monkey in the forest. Wherever he was there, you keep it there. No need to keep it in the palace. Okay. The next day, monkey was sent to the forest. The bad days now see. Monkey gone where? Forest. Leave from the palace. Now again parrot means again came good. Now what happened? See, the bad days of the parrots were now over. They were treated well again. Good dishes, fruits were also served to them. They again become the center of the attraction. See, I said bad day also will not stay long time. Again they are getting nice food, nice work, dishes, everything. The wise parrot clarified the situation of to his younger brother, saying that, then what saying that for these situations, time never remains the same, and one should not be depressed by the temporary, unfavorable changes. The young parrot also realized the fact that nothing is permanent in the world, and one should never lose the patience. Yes, my dear students, what we learn. So, if your bad time go, so don't be depressed. Okay, depressed you will not be, because your whenever bad situation will come, obviously you think God will give to you good times. You have to wait for them and fight for the situations, but obviously you will become the honest. If you honest, everything will be good things. God always with you. Okay, but if you do cheat, if you do wrong with others, God will not see to you. God also will give punished. Okay, so we saw this one story, we learned the story. Next day I will explain about the exercise. Okay, thank you.